In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can delete your story from your TikTok on mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to open up your TikTok app. Then you have to click on your profile icon here. After doing so, you have to click on your profile here again to see the story. Then you have to select the story that you want to delete. I'm going to delete this story here. Okay. So to do so, what you have to do, you have to make sure you watch the full video and follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So to delete this story, you have to click on the story, or you have to just drag from bottom here. Then you will find a delete option here. You have to click on this option here. After that, they will confirm you that you really want to delete this story or not. Then you have to click on delete. Then your story will be deleted from your TikTok. So this is how you can delete your story from your TikTok app, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.